Hello there, welcome to CAD with Sahil Sharma. In the new series, the first lecture we will going to see the sketching. So let's start. If you want to do the sketch, let's hit the new tab and your units are in millimeters. It's okay, and I have to hit the model command here. So hit OK. We will enter in the sketching environment here. There are two methods to get in this sketching. The first one is the sketch that is shown in the modeling area. So this one is the instant sketch type thing. You can do the sketch right in the 3D model, but if you want to do sketch in the 2D model and with all the functionalities of the sketching, you have to go to the menu and insert, and you can do in the sketch in task environment. So this is the only sketch environment you will get for sketching. And before we have to enter in the sketch, you have to select the plane where you want to do the sketch. Let's select the XY plane and hit OK. So now I am in the XY plane. It's automatically select the profile command. I can hit it, and if you want to exit out of it, if you are done with the sketch, you want to exit out of it, you can directly hit finish command. So you right away go to the modeling environment. But let's do some sketching. So today's lesson is on the profile command. So let's select the profile command, and there are two options, that is line and arc, and the input modes are coordinate mode and the parameters mode. And generally we do the coordinate mode because it's very easy and very interactive, because we are using a UI thing and the mouse. So let's start with the line command. If I select the line command only with the one click, so it will show it will automatically select the if I done with the line, it will automatically give me the path for the another line. So I can use this command to make a closed loop of it. So that is handy, because I can make any profile out of a line command. But I have to if I have to escape this command, I just have to hit the escape button of the keyboard. So now I'm done with the line command. Now let's go to the arc. If I have selected the arc only with the one click, it will only allow me to create only one arc. Then it will automatically move to the line command, and it's showing only line, you can see. But if I want to use arc command for many number of times, I can double click on it and can do the arc command for a number of times. So very handy on this part. We will see dimensioning thing. Now here is showing the sketch is fully constrained, but the thing is that it's showing that 25 are the auto dimensions. So there are 25 dimensions in the sketch, but these are auto dimensions. So we have to do dimensioning. So how to do it? If you want to learn about dimensions more, let's select a pretty basic example. Let's go with a basic example, and we have selected rectangle. I will show all the meaning of that rectangle later on in this video. Let's hit and draw a simple rectangle, press escape. Now it's showing that the sketch is fully constrained with 4 auto dimensions here. So let's move to the rapid dimensions, and let's have to give the dimension to it. Yeah, so the dimension is given. Now the thing is that I just given the length and the breadth of this rectangle. Now what the thing is that I can able to move this rectangle in this plane. If I want to constrain it, I want to constrain it horizontally and vertically. If I constrain this line horizontally and vertically, and this line here and this line here horizontally, okay, so what happened here is that it get constrained in this, and is showing sketches fully constrained. If I somehow give another constraint to another dimension, for example let's do dimension, and if I give this another constraint, so it's showing something a 90 degree. If I give this, it will show me the dimension in the red color, and it will pop up a window set over constraint. So that is also not right, because we are over constraining the thing that is already constrained. So just delete it. Sketch is fully constrained. So this is the little knowledge about how to give dimension and how to get the sketch constrained. In the coming lectures we will see about rectangle command, line and arc command. So stay tuned for that. Hope you like this video. Hit like and subscribe to my channel. I see you in the next video.